Jude's so brave, he's not even scared.
Good job. Jude's a good little climber.
Have to not look down.
Yeah.
Alright, so we are outside of Mae Sot. Our friends took us to this waterfall. We'll get a little closer, check it out. It's got this nice little bridge over a lake. You can see the waterfall. What do you think?
Oh, beautiful. Speaks to my heart. I love it.
It's very beautiful. You like it, Wyatt? Right off the bridge, there's a bunch of fish. It's got these pretty, pretty waterfalls. Gonna take a picture of a pretty, pretty girl. So this is a staircase up to the top of the waterfall. It's very jungly out there.
They come. The rest of the crew's already ahead of us. They're way up there. I can see them through the vines.
So we're halfway up. There's our staircase. Over there's the lake. Over there's more stairs going to the top. It's part of a little cave there on the staircase.
Nights and days back and forth.
Way up.
Was it? So he lived in jet lag.
Some more cave likeness. Wow. Jude. Hi, Mommy.
Sure are. Hi. Jude's so brave, he's not even scared.
Good job. Jude's a good little climber.
Have to not look down.
Yep, just have to not look down. He's doing awesome. So proud of him.
We're at the top. That was a good climb, Wyatt. Good job. Proud of you. What did you think of it?
Good.
It
Made my tummy hurt though.
Oh, it made your tummy hurt. There's Mommy and Jude walking towards the end. Got a lovely sunset over there.
You can see our hotel from here. If you could, I don't know which one it would be. I'm not sure.
There's the pond, the bridge, some rice fields. What do you think, Mommy?
I think it's pretty.
It's a nice view, isn't
It
it?
is a nice view.
What do you think, Jude?
A big puddle.
Do you like it? Does it look cool?
That is a big puddle.
Have you guys seen Planet Milk?
Right, so we're in a place called the Jungle Restaurant. Very cool looking, very jungly.
It's so pretty. It is like the jungle. With water running everywhere.
Water, pretty flowers, trees, bushes.
Good. Except
jungle
my tummy's
restaurant?
hurting.
Punching thumbs.
Except tummies. Punching thumbs. What do you think, Jude? Was it good? You, oh, kissing thumbs. Good. You like the jungle restaurant?
It was delightful.
It's pretty beautiful in here. Pretty fun. Okay, so now we're taking a minibus to another town, Sukhothai. We're leaving Mae Sot in a minibus. A lot of traveling. Feeling kind of tired. Honestly, I've had this like crappy bug I've been fighting for a few days, so I'm not feeling the best. But excited for the next part of the adventure. On the road again.
The boys aren't too excited about it.
No, they didn't want to leave this place.
Yes, we finally made good friends with Miley and Tatiana. Sad to go. It is a little sad for us too, but we found out they're coming to Chiang Mai, so we're going to see them again in just a few days.
Yeah, so that'll be cool.
Yay!
Yeah. Alright, so we have made it to Sukhothai. We just got off the minibus, or really a van. How you doing, Wai?
Good.
You look a little hot and sweaty. Boys are in the back of the song towel, tuk something. Okay, so I've just been given a restaurant menu. Yeah, Jude? And so I'm checking it out. There's two different mints for 10 cents each.
A big and a small.
Big and small. There's pizza, 8 cents, and then there's chocolate.
Roti, 10 cents.
Chocolate roti.
Yep, 10 cents.
Oh, 10 cents.
And biscuit, 5 cents.
And biscuits, 5 cents.
Biscuits,
Oh my good.
chocolate.
Oh, and it has pictures for everything. Oh my word.
I think that's
Then I also have the drink menu. Sodas, orange Fanta, shakes,
6 cents.
orange, mint, candy cane, cocoa and white.
Chocolate,
Cocoa, mix. Oh
5
my
cents.
goodness.
And you can mix your own.
This is amazing. I love it. Jude's learning how to use a padlock to lock our room up.
I already did that just
Good job. Well done, buddy. We're going downstairs to breakfast. Hi everybody. So today we're in Sukhothai and there's a lot of stuff we could be exploring, but to be honest, we've all had kind of a crummy cold and, well, not Wyatt, but the rest of us. And I think we all just kind of have the travel, we're just tired. So we're just kind of chilling today, even though we could be exploring, maybe should be, but instead we're just gonna just veg out pretty much. We went swimming this morning and we're probably gonna go back and just play some games, play in the room. The boys have no problem wherever we go, just making themselves at home and creating a space that is their arts and crafts space. Oh man, they have made some amazing menus at this hotel. We have been eating and drinking and had some amazing menus and food brought to us and had money to spend. And then while Wyatt's doing, let me see your picture, Why? So an om nom, which is from
Cut the rope.
Cut the Rope.
Cut the rope.
So see, this is like a whole Angry Bird tower thing happening over here.
Yeah, I made an antenna, a nom-nom antenna on top.
Oh, with an om nom antenna on top. And then over here we have the om nom he's shooting off instead of the Angry Bird. How cute is that and clever? I love it. Well done, buddy. I'll tell you, it's really hot. We have not been very motivated about going out. Plus, poor Jude has been feeling the same way that Mom has been feeling. Huh. I'm so sorry. What do you need?
Kiss.
Lots of kisses? I have lots of kisses for you. Mwah. Oh, is
How's
that
it
better?
feel?
Yay!
Oh, good. I'm so glad. And what are you drawing?
Make your own monster from mutant monsters.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
It's my favorite movie I made up.
Oh, okay.
Kind of
Okay.
the opposite of Shrek-y.
Oh, okay. I get
Kind
it.
of. Well, not really the opposite.
Okay. But like, it's like Wyatt's, your version of Stretchy. It's like, because Stretchy is the thing that Wyatt always, for our viewers who don't know, Wyatt has this guy Stretchy that he created, right? A character, Stretchy.
I can show you a picture of him.
Okay, and he does a lot of things with Stretchy, this character
this
he's
is
created.
Not very good shape.
And
but
not ideal, perfect version, but he's going to draw you a quick sketch of Stretchy. So Jude's version is mutant monsters. It's not his version of Stretchy, but it's like his characters he's created. Stretchy can take a lot of different forms and looks because he stretches.
Arms as far as he wants.
So this hotel also, along with this being like the hottest town, it also has some mosquito situations happening here. So we have, what are they? What do you call those things? Yeah, those things. We're burning
You can
those in
read
our
that.
room.
Let me know.
Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up. You are loved.
Whatever. Let's try this again.
Gotta go.